Okay, guys. So, what did I just do? I said, these are things that you use at the end of your worship session. Okay, I love doing all these expressive endings. I love doing so because it kind of, gives you an edge. Okay, instead of you to just, end on the 1 or end on just the 4 like that. You just want to do some move. Actually, this on the 4. You understand? So, you made You understand? Don't mind me, I'm not yet used to all these light keys, you understand? So, I prefer that my weighted keys. I don't know whether I should switch back. Anyway, we're just setting up, so that's why I'm doing all this. I'm not like giving you a full tutorial. So, thank you guys. I love you. We're still trying to set things up so that we can get started with our courses and charge you with a whole lot of stuff, information, you understand? Thank you so much. I'm signing out.